Okay, now we've added our mushrooms and the risotto is starting to boil. So we're going to stir our mushrooms in. And again, the mushrooms do not have to be completely soft because they're going to continue to cook. So we're going to add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're going to add a cup of heavy cream. So we want to work that around. And then we'll wait for that to come up to a boil again. And we're going to finish with a cup of vegetable stock. So we'll bring this back up to a boil, then we'll put a cover on it, and we'll reduce it and simmer.